Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear iPhone system data cache manually. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to settings and here you're going to click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click on System Data. This is where cache, logs, and temporary files are stored. So you can't directly delete system data, but you can reduce it using these methods. First, you can restart your iPhone to clear temporary system cache. And next, you're going to clear Safari cache by going to your settings, going to the apps over here and searching for Safari in the list. Once you're here in Safari, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of Clear History and Website Data. And also, you're going to delete unused apps or large files from iPhone storage to free up space. And if system data is still high, then make sure that your iPhone is updated. So you're going to go to General over here and then click on Software Update and then restart again. In many cases, iOS automatically reduces system data over time when storage is needed. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.